your neck and back is bothering you, let me present you the back stretcher lower lumbar pain with neck massage, magnetic therapy, acupressure fitness device, cervical and spinal pain relief. Hello everyone, this is MamaG and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I will show you the installation steps of cervical magnetic therapy. Keep your back muscles oxygenated and more functioning with 60 acupuncture and 8 magnetic massage points. So first step, we will put the rubber, blue rubber, in the 2 holes and pull it. So once it's done, we will attach it to this. So as you can see guys, there is a 3 level, 1, 2 and 3. So up to you which level you want to put your magnetic therapy. So I will put it in the level 3. It's more easy if you put flat your magnetic therapy and then choose the level you want. So it looks like this. You have to set your environment. When you go for massage spa, it is not only the procedure relaxes you. The relaxing environment places a neutral on shaping your experience. Pick a comfortable place. You may light a few aromatic candles. This will enhance your sense experience and play a romantic music. So let's start. Number 1. Lay the stretcher flat. Number 2. Lie down gently on your hands. Number 3. The retractor is attached to the upper back. Number 4. Comfortable traction restores cervical curvature. Do this 15 minutes a day. Take your time, relax. So if you guys want more pressure, this is my way. So just put your hips up and down. If you want hard massage guys, if you are familiar of having a hard massage when you go to spa, I advise you to do that. So next we will massage the lower back. So as you can see, I just grabbed the magnet therapy on my lower back and then I lay down. So same thing guys, if you want more pressure, you can put your hips up and down, so you will give more pressure to your lower back. Okay, so for the neck massage, as you can see, the magnetic therapy is now horizontally. So here guys, you will just move your head left and right slowly. I highly recommend this guys. It's really effective, and after doing my therapy massage, it feels very good. You know, like my back is wow. No more pain in just 15 minutes. So now guys, I will show you another way to use it. I use it also to my legs when they are painful. So I just lay down and I just move my legs like this. Open, close, open, close. And then up and down. For my feet also, when I do a foot spa like that, I massage my feet like this. I move my hips so to put more pressure, and up and down. And also guys, I have a chest problem a few years ago. It was 2018. From the moment I got this, the pain on my chest disappeared. So I am very thankful on this magnetic acupuncture massage. So I hope this video helps you guys. Thank you for watching and see you again in my next vlog. Bye!